Welcome to Viju Smart 19 YouTube channel. This video Talakadu Panchalinga Darshana in English, a holy place of Shiva. Let's go this video. Please subscribe my YouTube channel. There are 12 Jyotirlingas spread all over India from Kedaranatha in the Himalayas to Rameshwaram. In the southernmost point in India, Kashi or Banaras is famous Jyotirlinga of Shiva. Southern Kashi Talakad is one of the famous for Shiva Kshetra. It is a 58 km from Mysore. It is also one of the taluk center up to 1868 AD. AD means Anudomini. Now it is a village under the Narsipura taluk. Mysore district. Lord Shiva dwells in only in form of 5 lingas. The Panchalingas Arkeshwara of Ganga temple at Vijayapura. The Vaideshwara, the Chola times it was built. Pataleshwara and Murdeshwara, all the Talakad and the Mallikarjuna at Mudukalature on a nearby hills are places on the banks of Kaveri, which are considered very holy. Panchalinga Darshana is festival that takes place here once in 12 years. Sometimes it takes 15 years also, rarely 2 or 3 years. In the month of Kartika on the new moon day, which course on Monday when the moon will be in Scorpio, Rushika, Kuhu, Yoga and Vishaka star. Panchalinga Darshana took place in 1906, 1908, 1915, 1925, 1938, 1952, 1959, 1966, 1979, 1986, 1993, 2006, 2009, 2013, has come again in 2020, already over. Malangi Madu is containing a story of Mysore Wadayar. It is a historical place also. The story of Talkadas. Once upon a time, there lived a Brahmin by name Somadatta. He was disgusted with the life. So he went to Varanasi, means Kasi, and performed penance for a long time to place holy Lord Shiva or Vishwanatha. Lord Vishwanatha was pleased with his penance and his devotions and appeared before him. Somadatta demanded that he and his discipline should be given a moksha benefit of going to the heaven with the same human body. But Shiva said that he and his desires would not be fulfilled. There he should travel towards the south and he should go to Gajaranya Kshetra. Very important, Gajaranya Kshetra, this one. On the bank of Kaveri river, which is regarded as the Gangas of the south, he also said that Kshetra is within a few miles from the conclusions of Kaveri and Kapila. I am going to there as a Vaideshwara among the 5 lingas. You stay in the hermitage of sage Rishika of Kartikeya and do the penance. You will be surely get the oneness with me, that place which is more important, Kshetra from Kasi. Somadatta commanded his journey according the instructions given by Lord Vishwanatha, means Shiva. He was crossing Vindhya mountains with his disciplines. Suddenly a flock of elephants fell off on them. They were shouted, "Elephants! Elephants!" Ultimately, All of them were died with fear of elephants, so they were born as elephants in their next birth. They took birth in the Gajaranya Kshetra on the bank of Kaveri. This is story. Please subscribe my YouTube channel and like, share and comment. All guys, all bears. There was a big Buruga tree in the Gajaranya. It was surrounding thickly grown shrubs and other trees in the forest. The elephants every day used to bath in the Gokarna lake and with water filled trunks and also bring lotus flower and they sprinkled the water under Buruga trees. Then they offer lotus flower under the tree and then salute and go towards in the thick forest. To enter Tala and Kada were seeing this spectacle every day. They were very surprised and wanted to examine that place. They cut the shrubs with axe. While they were cutting the shrubs, they ate something. Then the blood gusted out. They were surprised to see it was a Sivalinga. That they had it on ling, the blood was flowing from the head of Sivalinga. They started trembling with fear. At the same time, a voice from the sky spake, "Ye hunter, I have appeared here in order to make good to you. You grinned, you grinned the leaf of Buruga trees and smear to the wound. The bleeding will be stopped and the milk will come. You will drink the milk, you will come to my place in heaven. Tala Kada did their duty. They got the heaven in the meantime. Elephant were also drank the milk. They were also got the heaven in their human body. So on that day onwards, this place came to be known as Talakadu. The same day, Kuhu Yoga, Rushika, Lagna, Monday, this occasion with so many combination is very rare that day. Become Panchalinga Darshana Day. Become Panchalinga Darshana Day. Who made Panchalinga Darshana will get moksha. Very important. Panchalinga Darshana Day. Who made Panchalinga Darshana will get moksha. Heaven. Please subscribe my channel, like, share and comment this video. 5 lingas. The Kaveri river which flows in Talakad in 4 direction, it is called as East Vaini, West Vaini, South Vaini, North Vaini. The sand on the bank of the river gives the river magnificent vastness and also various direction in this Gajaranya. Every year the Ganga Mata, when the some enter the Tularasi, shall come and join the Kaveri and blessed the pilgrims. So the devotees of Shiva will come here every year also. Special day is Panchalinga Darshana Day. The puja will performed as follows. First one, bathing in Gokarna Lake, Kaveri on the day of Panchalinga Darshana in the morning. Gokarneshwara worship will be begin with the Chaudeshwar temple puja with the permission of Vaidyanatheshwara. It will get rid of all disease. It will get rid of all disease and then travel to Vijayapura. Second one, bathing in the Uttaravahini means Kaveri at Vijayapura and made darshana at Arkeshwara Swami and then returned to Vaidyanateshwara for effort to the god Vaidyanateshwara. He would enjoy all happiness. Third one, bathing at Purvavahini, ಯಾವ ದರ್ಶನ ಪಾತಾಳೇಶ್ವರ ವಾಸುಕೇಶ್ವರ and return to Vaidyanatha temple and report and then he would enjoy goddesses of Nagaloka. Fourth point, the bathing at Dakshina Vahini of Kaveri and Yav Darshan of Sri Maraleshwara Saiketeshwara and returned to Vaidyeshwara and reported to God. He would get rid of all sins. Fifth one, bathing at Pashchimavahini Kaveri at Madhukotarai and render the puja of Mallikarjuna and Brahmaramba of Somashila Giri will be virtuous and sacred and return to Vaidyanateshwara and reported to God Vaidyanateshwara all the sins washed away. This is procedure of puja of Talakad in one day. It was so difficult to do all 5 lingas pujas with 4 direction. Kaveri river bath and every puja and every report to Vaidyanateshwara is also very important. This is the proper way of Panchalinga Darshana. This place first called as Siddharanya, after as Moksha, Gajaranya and then Talakad. This place came one of the famous southern Kasi and sacrificed place for pilgrims. I am closing this video. Please subscribe my YouTube channel and like and share, dears and guys and elders and youngers. Thank you for the watching this video. Sarve Jano Sukhino Bhavantu. Om Namah Shivaya.
Yeah,